There's something timeless about dropping a needle on vinyl, and the best vintage turntables bring that experience to life with warm analog sound, classic design, and true musical character. From beautifully crafted wooden plinths to precision tone arms, these turntables don't just play music, they create a ritual that modern streaming simply can't match. Whether you're a collector chasing that authentic retro feel or a beginner stepping into the world of vinyl, these turntables offer the perfect blend of nostalgia and performance. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 best vintage turntables and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. House of Marley Stir It Up Turntable. If you're looking for a turntable that blends vintage charm with modern features and sustainability, the House of Marley Stir It Up Turntable stands out as a unique and stylish option that delivers both in design and performance, especially for vinyl lovers who appreciate eco-conscious products. Built with sustainable materials, this turntable reflects the legacy of Bob Marley, offering an environmentally friendly construction that doesn't compromise on aesthetics, featuring a natural, premium look that easily complements any setup. It's a belt-driven, fully automatic turntable equipped with a built-in preamp, making it easy to connect to a wide range of speakers without additional gear, while the USB connectivity allows you to convert your vinyl records into digital files for modern listening convenience. When it comes to sound quality, the Stir It Up lives up to its name, delivering a warm, smooth, and dynamic audio profile with punchy bass that works particularly well for genres like reggae, jazz, and classic rock, though at higher volumes, some slight distortion can occur, which may be noticeable for more critical listeners. The overall sonic performance remains balanced and enjoyable for casual listening, making it a great entry to mid-level choice. In terms of features, it includes practical connectivity options like RCA line-out, a headphone jack, and an AUX input, ensuring flexibility across different audio setups. However, one drawback is the absence of a hard dust cover, as it only comes with a soft cloth for protection, which may not be ideal for long-term durability. Overall, the House of Marley Stir It Up Turntable combines eco-friendly craftsmanship, solid sound performance, and eye-catching vintage design, making it a compelling option for anyone who wants a turntable that not only sounds good but also aligns with a more sustainable lifestyle. Pioneer PL30K Audiophile. If you're searching for a vintage-style turntable that prioritizes pure sound quality over flashy modern features, the Pioneer PL30K Audiophile turntable stands out as a refined, minimalist option built for serious vinyl enthusiasts. Designed with a focus on sonic performance, this fully automatic turntable features high-quality construction, including a die-cast aluminum platter, a center-weighted design to prevent skipping, and a metal double-layered chassis that enhances stability and reduces unwanted vibrations. It comes equipped with a high-performance cartridge, a rubber mat for better record grip, and convenient features like an auto start-stop function, making it easy to use without compromising its audiophile intent. One of its key advantages is the built-in phono equalizer and preamp, allowing you to connect it directly to a wide range of audio systems via RCA line output, eliminating the need for additional external components. While it operates using an AC power adapter and supports a digital signal format output, its core strength lies in delivering clean, accurate analog playback that preserves the integrity of your vinyl collection. That said, its higher price point and lack of modern extras, like Bluetooth or USB recording, may not appeal to users looking for versatility or convenience features. However, that's also what makes it special, as the PL30K is intentionally designed to do one thing exceptionally well: play vinyl records with outstanding clarity while minimizing wear and damage. In short, if you value build quality, reliable performance, and rich, authentic sound over gimmicks, this turntable is an excellent investment and a perfect fit for anyone wanting a timeless listening experience rooted in true audio fidelity. AudioTechnica AT LP60X-BK. If you're looking for an affordable entry point into the world of vinyl, the Audio-Technica AT LP60X-BK is one of the best beginner-friendly turntables you can get, offering a simple, no-fuss design paired with surprisingly solid audio performance for the price. Built with a fully automatic belt-driven system, it supports 33 1/3 and 45 revolutions per minute speeds, allowing you to play most standard records with ease, while the die-cast aluminum platter and dual-magnet phono cartridge with a replaceable diamond stylus ensure consistent playback and decent durability. What really stands out is its warm, vintage-style sound signature, delivering rich low frequencies and smooth overall audio that makes your records feel alive without requiring any complicated setup. It also features a built-in switchable phono preamp, meaning you can connect it directly to powered speakers or a home stereo system via RCA output, eliminating the need for additional equipment, which is perfect for beginners. In terms of convenience, the fully automatic operation means the tonearm starts and returns on its own, making it incredibly easy to use even if you've never owned a turntable before. However, it's not without its compromises, as the plastic construction keeps it lightweight and affordable but can feel less premium and slightly fragile compared to higher-end models, and it lacks support for 78 revolutions per minute records, limiting playback options for certain vintage collections. Powered by an AC adapter and designed with simplicity in mind, it doesn't offer advanced customization or upgrade paths, but that's part of its appeal for casual listeners. Overall, the Audio-Technica AT LP60X-BK is an excellent value choice that delivers enjoyable sound quality, ease of use, and essential features, making it a perfect first turntable for anyone wanting to experience vinyl without spending a fortune. Fluence RT81. If you're searching for a vintage-style record player that blends classic aesthetics with modern performance, the Fluence RT81 Elite stands out as one of the best options in its price range, offering impressive sound quality and reliable construction without overcomplicating the experience. Designed with high-quality components and a clean, user-friendly layout, this turntable delivers rich, detailed audio that appeals to both casual listeners and audiophiles alike. It features a 2-speed belt-driven system with a pre-fitted cartridge, a heavy platter, and a solid MDF wood plinth, all working together with large isolating feet to minimize vibrations and ensure smooth, interference-free playback. One of its standout additions is the S-type tonearm, which is rarely found in this price category and helps improve tracking accuracy and overall sound performance. The built-in Texas Instruments preamp further enhances audio clarity, allowing for easy connection to a wide range of speakers without needing extra equipment, while the included RCA outputs and cables make setup quick and straightforward. Aesthetically, the turntable impresses with a premium wooden cabinet available in piano black, white gloss, and natural walnut, each paired with a protective dust cover that maintains its clean look over time. While the design leans toward simplicity and lacks advanced features found in higher-end models, this minimalist approach makes it incredibly approachable for beginners and those who prefer a no-fuss listening experience. Powered by an AC adapter and built entirely for analog playback, the RT81 Elite focuses on delivering pure sound quality above all else. Overall, it's an excellent choice for music lovers who want a dependable, stylish, and great-sounding turntable at an affordable price point. One by One Turntable. If you're looking for a vintage-style record player that blends classic aesthetics with modern functionality, the One by One Turntable is a compelling all-in-one option that delivers both style and versatility for vinyl enthusiasts. Designed with a beautiful combination of wood and metal, it offers a premium, retro-inspired look that feels as good as it sounds, making it a standout piece in any setup. Under the hood, it features a high-quality Audio-Technica moving magnet cartridge along with an adjustable counterweight, giving you more precise control over playback and helping protect your records while delivering rich, detailed audio. The belt-driven motor supports both 33 1/3 and 45 revolutions per minute speeds, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of vinyl records, while modern features like Bluetooth, USB, and AUX-in connectivity allow you to stream music wirelessly or use the turntable as a speaker for other devices. While the built-in speakers provide decent sound quality for casual listening, they aren't particularly loud, making them less suitable for larger rooms, but the inclusion of an RCA line-out gives you the flexibility to connect external speakers for a more powerful audio experience. Setup and adjustments, especially the counterweight, can be a bit tricky for beginners, but for users willing to spend a little time fine-tuning, the payoff is noticeably better sound performance. Powered by an AC adapter and built with durable materials, this turntable balances analog warmth with modern convenience, making it ideal for those who want more than just a basic record player. Overall, the One by One Turntable stands out as a feature-packed, stylish solution that offers excellent value, particularly for more experienced users who appreciate both customization and sound quality in their vinyl listening experience. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.